Hello everyone, my name is Parik Jain. I have been a CAT mentor for the past 14 years and I'm also the founder of TVM, the Verbal Mentor. Many of you are starting their preparation for the Common Admission Test 2022, assuming that you are aware of the basic facts such as that the CAT is a national level entrance exam conducted by the Indian Institutes of Management for admission to their postgraduate management education programs, MBA or PGP programs. And that CAT scores are also used by more than 100 other top B schools in the country for admission to their programs. In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about CAT syllabus in detail. So there are three sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, VARC, which has 24 questions to be answered in 40 minutes. DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, 20 questions to be answered in 40 minutes. And quantitative aptitude, basic math, 22 questions to be answered in 40 minutes again. So in this video, let's deep dive into the verbal ability section and understand the kind of skills that this section demands. So guys, here's the detailed syllabus of CAT verbal section. The first part is reading comprehension, in which you are supposed to read 4 passages or excerpts, average length 500 words each, and answer questions that follow each of them. The text, the passages are academic in nature and span across a wide range of subjects such as zoology, botany, genetic sciences, psychology, basic philosophy, Indian history, etc. So the text is academic and therefore it demands ability to comprehend and visualize complex ideas clearly. If you are only able to form a vague image, vague picture of what you are reading, you will not be able to comprehend the text clearly and consequently not be able to answer the questions correctly. So it is academic and it demands visualization, clear visualization of complex ideas. The questions asked demand an ability that they're also challenging, and they expect you to understand the nuances of text, the little differences. They expect you to be able to discriminate between two similar sounding ideas. The passage will have one idea, the answer choices will be confusing. It might at first glance appear that two answer choices are similar, but there is a difference, maybe a subtle difference between the two, a nuance that separates them, that separates these two answer choices, but there is a difference. So the questions demand an ability to discriminate between two similar sounding ideas. That is what this RC section is all about. The main types of questions that are asked in this RC section are main idea questions, which are basically about the essence of the passage, the main point made by the author. This question can be asked in different versions. What is the title of the passage? So if the question says, what is a suitable title for this passage? Essentially, it is asking you to identify the main point or the main subject of discussion. Another version, what is the central theme of the passage? So same as main idea. There are different versions of the same question. The second subtype of question within RC is a fact check or fact verification questions. They are direct according to the passage, which of the following is true or which of the following is not true. So you are simply asked to validate answer choices, from the information given in the passage, true, false, true, false. That is the kind of, again, of course, it is not going to be, very simple. But there could be there could be a subtle difference and nuance that separates the information given in the passage and that given in the answer choice. So you are supposed to have that, eye for detail to be able to discriminate between the two ideas. The third type of question is critical reasoning. This goes a step further. Critical reasoning questions ask you to understand an idea given in the passage and apply that idea to a hypothetical scenario given in the answer choices and see which fits the best. So it it does not only test whether you have understood the passage, it also tests whether what you have understood can be applied. Can you reason? Can you critically think? So critical reasoning questions are all about it. This is the RC section, guys. Mostly, broadly speaking, there are 3 types of questions: main idea based, fact check, fact verification based, and critical reasoning based. Okay. RC forms 2/3 of the VARC section. That is 16 questions out of 24 are RC based. Now this number can vary year to year. Could be 15 some year, could be 17, could go up to 18, but let's say 16. Last year it was 16. The remaining 1/3, that is 8 questions, are verbal ability, which can further be subdivided into 3 question types, all of which actually test the same thing: your ability to understand paragraph construction. Are you able to understand how thoughts flow in a piece of text? Are you able to understand paragraph construction, how a paragraph is constructed? So the 3 sub question types within the verbal ability part are parajumbles or jumbled paragraph. So you are given 4 or 5 sentences, usually 4, and you are asked to rearrange them in correct order, correct sequence, so as to form a logical and coherent paragraph. The second question subtype is out of context question. You are again given 4 sentences, 3 of which form a logical sequence upon rearrangement. The 4th one does not belong to the discussion. It is out of sync. You are asked to identify this odd man. The third question subtype is paragraph summary. You are given a small paragraph, a short paragraph, 4 or 5 sentences, 100 words, less than 100 words, and you are asked to identify the summary of the passage. This question is essentially similar to the main idea question only, just that main idea questions are part of RC, a bigger piece of text. Paragraph summary questions are asked on the basis of a small paragraph, short paragraph, but they're also asking you to identify the essence, the summary of the paragraph. So essentially similar. Guys, this is all about the CAT verbal syllabus. Please understand, the VARC section demands not only reading skills, it also demands analytical thinking skills, methodical thinking skills. Are you able to think methodically, especially in the critical reasoning questions? Are you able to analyze the text? Are you able to break down text into the different dimensions that it has? Are you able to discover or unlayer the unspoken things in the text? Inference-based questions will be based on your ability to do so. So critical reasoning skills, your English language skills, of course, reading skills, methodical thinking, all these skills are put to test in this VARC section. Non-reader is going to find it really hard to manage this section. So please cultivate a habit of reading and reading diverse texts belonging to a variety of genres. That should be the core of your preparation, guys. So this is all about the CAT verbal syllabus. If you want us to start a free verbal practice series for CAT 2022, please show your interest in the comment box below. If we get sufficient responses, we are going to start a free CAT verbal practice series 2022. Until next time, bye-bye. Take care.